Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on vocabulary. Today we are going to study at least 3 or 4 new words, probably 5, as per your understanding and how many words you already know. So I'll take one route, and I generally suggest if you are willing to enhance your vocabulary, you can watch our videos any day. But Norman Lewis, he actually has written that fabulous book, and you can take the help of that book as well to enhance your vocabulary. If I start the session, I really expect a like from you so that I can bring more such sessions for you. This session is recorded primarily for our students from South India, primarily for our students from Northeast India. Those who are unable to understand Hindi well, we record a separate session in English medium specifically for them. If I start the session, you need to understand I'll take one route. I'll take one route. I really expect that you're going to learn all the words which I'm teaching you. I'll start from here on. At least you'll be trying your level best to learn these words immediately before I wrap up. Okay, when I start, today's word root is going to be this. You may have seen this word in many words already. This root, I must say. So this word root stands for something true or something truth, where is associated with something true or truth. To prove it, I can actually give you one word, which is verify. Can you see that verify has the word where, or that root is there? That means if you verify something, you check the authenticity of something. How true that thing is, you are checking it by verifying it. That means verify is actually making you check the authenticity or truthfulness of that thing. So that is verify. Verify has the root ver or where in it, which means true or truth. Okay, when I actually verify something, it is also associated with truth. Now, verdict. You have seen that the jury gives verdict on the basis of truths and facts, that means the facts which they have received, the truth which was revealed to the jury. On the basis of that truth, they are going to provide you with that final verdict, final statement. So even in verdict, truth is there. I hope you are aware of these two words already. You must be thinking, what have I started teaching? What I have started teaching, I'll actually write those words from now on. If somebody asks you, without teaching you all this, will you be in a position to answer this question? Just tell me that. If you can, your preparation is actually going in the right direction. First word is verity. If not, then you can join us. Also, we are going to help you in all possible manners to crack or to pass any exam you feel like. Okay, now favorite word of all the exams is verisimilitude, and I am sure that many of you are not even aware of the meaning of this word. But after teaching you the origin of were or where, you can relate all these words with at least true, truth, truthfulness. I hope you have understood what I'm actually trying to convey here. By learning one root, you can learn such words easily. Now, verity means truth only. Verity is truth. I am saying if you are checking the veracity of something, when you are checking the veracity of something, how veracious that particular thing is, that means you are saying how veracious, how truthful, how veracious, how truthful, how veracious, how truthful that thing is. You are checking the veracity of something, that means you are checking the truthfulness of something. Now, what is veritable? When we say verity, verity is truth. Verity is truth. When we say what is veritable, is associated, veritable is also associated with truth only. Why? Because somebody is the veritable example of something that is veritable. Veritable is actually genuine, actual veritable. So veritable is genuine. Something is the, or somebody is the example of something, fine example of something. Veritable goalkeepers, veritable, genuine. Verity, truth. Something is veracious. How would you know that? Check the veracity of it. Veracious, truthful. Opposite of veracious, just to keep that in mind, if you go by the flow, you'll be able to keep that easily in your mind. Mendacious. Mendacious. So, mendacity, veracity. Veracious, mendacious. If you say mendacious, that means we are referring to something untruthful. Veracious is truthful, mendacious is untruthful. When we talk about verisimilitude, now you have to find out one more hidden root in it, and that is similar. That means something which appears, the appearance of something seems to be true, something like that. So verisimilitude, the appearance of it is similar to be true. The exact words are going to be the appearance of being real, the appearance of being true. That is verisimilitude. That means even verisimilitude has the origin of truth in it. That is why all of them derive from one root. But if you are not aware of these words, you will find them difficult, but now you can easily relate them with truth or something true. The word was verdict, which was given by the jury on the basis of facts and truth. Verdict, and verify. When you verify something, you check the authenticity or truthfulness of something. Verity, truth. Verity means truth only, a true statement or something like that. Veritable is genuine. Somebody is so genuine, example of something, that is veritable. So genuine, authentic. That is what we are saying, that is veritable. Veracious is truthful. How veracious your statement is, we'll find out. We'll check the veracity ourselves. So veracious, truthful. Veracity, check the veracity, check the truthfulness. Verisimilitude, something appears to be real, in appearance it appears to be, something appears to be real or true. Now, verisimilitude, we are going to take an example for the same. She has included the photographs in the story. She has included the photographs in the story to provide, to lend verisimilitude to that story. So verisimilitude, lend verisimilitude to that story. Verisimilitude means verisimilitude is something's authenticity or appearance of being real or true. That is what we were actually learning. So verdict, true saying. Verify, make something sure something is true. To make sure something is true. Unverifiable, we cannot verify, we cannot check the authenticity of something. Veracity, truthfulness. Verisimilitude, I told you earlier, and verity is, the verity of something is the truth or reality of it. We are going to wind up here, and I really hope that you have understood the root of where here. If you have understood, you can press the like button. Thank you so much for watching.